Hello YouTubers, it's hello from Jamesy.
Hi and hi from Daddy.
And today we are doing, well James is doing a Lego build of a polybag here because we got off a brick link of a Parrot number 40131. Now we were trying to do a live stream, but we couldn't work out how to load up our webcam, so unfortunately, and James is very disappointed about this,
Yes.
we're not doing a live stream today. We're trying. Anyway, Jamesy, please build the Parrot.
First thing's good old handy dandy is open the instruction booklet. And then the paper just flies away.
Yeah, I'll turn the fan off. We might be losing our instructions.
We just lost the back. Ah, now we're losing the instructions. The back fell down. I'm not going to pick it up. No more fan.
No.
For now.
I think I'll find some more nice poly bags and we'll do a live stream.
And we'll do, if we can.
Yeah. I'm not very technical and I could not work out how to connect
If we find any nice poly bags.
the webcam to the live stream. Because I think our laptop is struggling with resources. I've just done a video of the latest update on my Night of the Museum mock. And we are 5 subscribers away from giving away a free Lego set. Please find the details of how to take part in that competition on our homepage. There's a video there on the instruction. That's a free Minecraft Lego set, brand new. What should we call our parrot, James? Should we call it Polly?
Yes.
Polly the Parrot.
Maybe Larry the Parrot.
Oh, Larry the Parrot, yeah. Larry's as good as Polly.
Then you Afro. That's the only choices I would like. Or James the Parrot.
James the Parrot, no.
I'm sure we call him Cookie.
Cookie the Parrot, there you go. Viewers, Cookie the Parrot. And please support our channel by subscribing. That'd be most helpful. And we will be giving away another Lego set after we've given away the one for 450 subscribers. The next one will be 1,000 subscribers.
The moment we do these, we'll get up more and more subscribers.
That'd be good. That'd be good. That's why we do it. Bless you. Definitely looking parroty colours, parroty shape.
I still got a few pieces left.
Mm.
Look at that one. Look at that
Oh no. Depends what you've got on the other side. Yeah. I think it's a 6 plus, yes. 6 plus.
6 plus.
6 plus, yeah.
I'm 6.
I should be able to do it then. Yeah. You are 6.
This really didn't look like a parrot. Look. That really starts to look like a parrot.
Mm-hmm.
First bit of the parrot's done.
Oh yeah. I'll just shut up. You see?
Take him to the side because I think I don't need him for this bit. He's building his wings.
Ah. He's a bird, he needs wings, yes. What year was this from then? This is from 2015. Because I've started buying on Bricklink parts for the night at the museum unlock.
And Daddy bought me 2 Mario things.
I did.
And can you get more? Maybe more?
I think I've got another one coming.
Who is that man?
I keep finding little sets and things. It's basically because I'm spending maybe...
Bricklink's one of the best shops of Lego.
They are, they're great. Maybe I'm spending £1 on Lego on Bricklink Lego in the shop. It's got a minimum buy of £2 or £3 and then it's got postage on top. So I'm just buying something extra. And it just happened to be a Parrot polybag, which I never would have looked at before.
If we were just doing Mario Museum parts, they would not have bought this.
Mm. That's right. I can definitely see the attraction of live streaming though, because people can ask you questions while you're doing the build, which is fantastic.
Fail.
What happened?
You can't even build the wings.
Where?
It's because that's loose right there.
Hang on, let's try. Where were we struggling? Where were you, James?
On this page.
So this one?
On this page. Yeah.
Okay, so that goes there, that goes there.
Whee!
That should go right.
I have done some power builds before, but not this one.
That should go down. Yeah. Flip it over. Grey bit there. Blue bit there. And that bit there. There you go. There's a wing.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah, Mamma mia. We're going to do this little wing.
No, Mario fail.
You do. Like that.
This parrot's waving
Like
now.
that. I've got a second spare bit. You get one spare bit and the
Hey,
parrot.
this
There you go.
parrot's waving.
He is. Oh well.
I'm clumsy sometimes. Hi guys.
Did they go forward? Yeah.
Otherwise, gap.
Oh wow. It's amazing what you can build with Lego, it really is.
He's like a car.
The little bits of plastic can be stuck together and create something and something else.
If you want to create something else, I suggest you get
Which one?
Lego creator sets.
Oh yeah.
And you can get ideas.
And that is a little parrot. Larry the parrot. So hopefully next time we'll do a live stream. Hopefully we'll talk to some of our subscribers and people that watch. Anyway, it's bye-bye from Jamesy.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And bye from Daddy.
Thank you, bye-bye.